Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke lapho-ke ucindezele ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uyithole zonke-ke iy'ndaba esikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje. So ungakwenza-ke nje lapho usicindezele ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke udaba ekulethele lona namhlanje ethi-ke uMlungu-ke laphana kusizifake zonke laphana-ke kuRamaphosa-ke wancoma-ke uZuma wancoma namagalelo akhe awenza ngenkathi-ke esawu-president-ke. Kodwa-ke angifuni ukuthi mina-ke wezwa ngami-ke ikhona-ke ividiyo la ngizokudlalela-ke uzizwele wena-ke ngawakho amadlebe-ke uMlungu ekhulumela yena-ke. Ngisacela kuwe laphana ukuthi masizwile-ke le video lena-ke ungene ema-comment section-ke ubhale-ke usicabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke bese ucindezela nebhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje awukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Good morning, fellow South Africans. It is Louis Liebenberg speaking, an independent candidate in the upcoming election on the 29th of May 2024. Although I'm campaigning in the following provinces, Limpopo, Mpumalanga, Gauteng and the Free State, I would like to place on record and also inform the public that I'm in full support of President Zuma's MK party. And I would like to encourage all South Africans to vote for this president that was the best president ever in the South African context. And therefore, although I'm standing as an independent, I'm a Zuma fan and I'm supporting President Zuma all the way to being the president of South Africa. President Ramaphosa and his family has done so much harm to our country and has destroyed our democracy, Eskom and all the state enterprises. There is no ways that we can continue supporting this president, Ramaphosa, that has destroyed our livelihood also during COVID and bought into the agenda of the World Economic Forum to destroy our country and its people. Our people are suffering every day because of you, President Ramaphosa. Viva MK, viva President Zuma. Thank you very much. God bless you.